Welcome to Facebook Apps World. We're going to show you an application called MeToo. MeToo is an application that lets visitors to your Facebook page sign up for something. You can define your own form and then you can have people sign up for something. It could be an event, it could be a contest, it could be anything you like. We will give you a CSV file of everything or everybody that has signed up. So you have a very nifty way to put together a mailing list. Let me give you a demo. Here in our apps world, we have a sign up for the introduction to my best-selling book, Tweeteronics. So if you put in your name, John Doe, you can put in other stuff, but you don't have to. John@doe.com. I can basically submit and I will have a book on the way for me. As you can see, I have successfully signed up for it. So I go back to my wall. That's it. Let me show you how it's configured. First of all, we have, like in all the applications, the before like. And of course, you have the choice to show this or to force visitors to click on like before they can see the offer or not. But in most cases, I would guess you would. Then in the after like form, you would be able to configure whatever you like, text or pictures or anything that you can put there. And you have a WYSIWYG editor here, which actually allows you to do HTML as well. So you have a very flexible way to put something together. Click submit, and then we can look at customizing the form. Now for the form, we have a number of predefined fields and a number of free fields. As you can see, the field name, actually we allow you to change the name. This sounds silly, but if you are, for instance, Dutch, and if you ain't Dutch, you ain't much. So if you are Dutch, then you could turn that into the Dutch word for name and thereby translate your form. It becomes multi-language. Now, you can say, I want to show this field, and you can say whether this field should be mandatory or not. Like here with city, we show it, but we don't make it mandatory. And the email we make mandatory, otherwise we don't know where to send it to. You can say, yeah, you can put in your Twitter or your Facebook, and actually we can give you 3 fields where you can say, okay, I want to define these fields myself, and I want to make them mandatory or not. So essentially, that is how you have created your sign-up form. Then, as admin, you have the opportunity to click on this button, which would basically give you a CSV file of all the users that have registered. You just press export and it'll save the file for you in a place where you would prefer. Now, we show you how many people have signed up. So if you remember that 8 have signed up last time and now you look at it and nobody new has signed up, there's probably no reason for you to download the form again. The other thing that you can customize is, of course, the share button, and that basically concludes the customization options for this nifty little app called MeToo. Thank you very much.